I'm back. Christmas cookies number 2 for 2022. I'm looking in the Bettty Crocker 1960 version cookbook, and these are the best German cookies. That's my mother's handwriting, and she always baked these at Christmas because they were just buttery and perfect. I'm not sure of the history on these. I'll have to look that up and give you some further information, but they always turned out delicious every year. Now for the ingredients. 1 cup butter, 2/3 cup granulated sugar. Too bad Calvin's not here, he'd like a taste. Next, I add 3 egg yolks. This is the recipe exactly as my mom used to do it every Christmas. Next ingredient is 1 teaspoon vanilla. Mix it all together. Looking good. Last but not least, you add in the flour very gradually. Mix it together a bit, add a little bit more flour, and you are good to go. The Spritz cookie uses a cookie press, or some people like to call it a cookie gun. You put the dough inside, and I've already put my dough inside, and I'm using this flower image right here. But I plan to also use the Christmas tree and this other one to form it into a wreath. I looked up a bit of history on the Spritz cookie, and there is a lot of debate on where it comes. Most people see it as German, because spritzen means to squirt, and that's what you do with the cookie press, or Spritzgebäck. But some people say maybe it's Norwegian, maybe it's Swedish, maybe it's Scandinavian. You typically, though, see it as a German Advent cookie, and it's done around the Christmas season. And that is why I do it, because my mother, this was her favorite cookie. She was German. We always did this cookie at Christmas. She saved them in her freezer. We always had Spritz cookies for Christmas, New Year's, and into the winter. And it reminds me of her. I have to show you this first one. This is what they always look like at the very beginning. And you know what? Who cares? The rest look great as you keep going. I'm going to put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and we will see some beautiful Spritz cookies. Here's my first round of my Spritz cookies. I probably should have added the sugar before, but I forgot on these, and I added some Red Hots. And I've tried this one, and it is delicious and buttery, just like I remember it. So remember I said I was going to use the skinny one for a wreath? Well, that obviously is not looking like a wreath. So I'm going to leave it as is. I'm not even sure what that looks like. It'll still be good. So I just need to figure out what kind of decorations to put on it. Here are the completed Spritz cookies. You can see the beautiful decorations. Interesting design there, but you know, hey, it works. So enjoy them from the Bettty Crocker Cookbook, 1960s version, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season with your family.